Hi guys, in this session you are going to learn about output statement, and the definition is the output statement tells SAS to write the current observation to a SAS dataset immediately, not at the end of the data step. It means we can create a dataset by using output statement. For explaining that, I'm creating a two data set at once. They are data men and women. Okay, these are the two data set name. Generally we are giving one data set name. Here I am giving a two data set name, and set SAS helper.class. From the SAS helper.class I am creating a men and women data sets here, and for creating a data set by using output statement we are using if, and if sex equals to m. Simply if sex equals to m, then output is a statement, then men. You got it here. If sex equals to m, every variable will created in the men. Else, simply if statement, else output women. Or you got it? What is the meaning of else here? There is only two categories in a sex variable, that is m and f. If sex equals to m, then men. Else women. What does it mean? It's a sex equals to f. If the particular variable have a more than one category, then simply how we write? Else if sex equals to f, like this you can create output dataset and run here. Or you got it? How we use the output statement for creating a new dataset, and you can create the number of dataset at once by using output statement here. Okay. Now we are running this code. Before opening dataset, lag is clear. Here we are creating a dataset by using sex equals to m only, and in the women there is sex equals to f. Like this, we can create a dataset here. In a general, how we create this two dataset? In a two data steps. First, if sex equals to m, that is a one dataset, and if sex equals to f, that is another dataset. Instead of that writing number of lines of program, simply we can use the output statement for creating a dataset based on a condition. And the next one, we can use an output statement in another way. Same for the dataset only. For that I am creating a new dataset, that is id visit sample flag. Okay, got it? Now I am running this. Lag is clear. Check. Here we have a one id variable, visit variable, sample flag. What is the data set here? And this is the id 100. In the third visit, sample taken drug y, and in the 101 at last visit, sample taken drug. Now I want to separate data set based on a condition at which visit subject taken drug. For that I am writing a code by using an output statement, then how it will be, and before that we have to sort it. And now, and data s, no, check, this is a check data set, already we run it. By id, I want to create by id here, and here if last.id equals to 0, already you know, if equals to 0, then output no. Or you got it? If equals to 0, it is an opposite, equals to 0, and else output yes. Or you got it? What does it mean? If last.id equals to 0, what does it mean? Except last.id, each and everything come into no data set. And else, what does it mean? Else last comes into yes. Don't confuse here. This is the same way. I am just explaining another example for it. Run. Lag is clear. We are opening first no. Here every flag is no, and in the S every flag is yes. At 100 visit 3 subject taken drug. At 101 visit 4 subject taken drug. Like this we can create by using if first dot use subject or last dot use subject, just like. And for the same output there is another way. Instead of using last dot id or everything, simply data s1 and no one, set check if sample flag equals to n, then output no one, else output yes one, and run. Or you got it here? The process is same. I am just explaining another example for it. No one and yes one here. In this way we can create a dataset by using output statement based on a particular condition in if statement. Please subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like the video and comment below, share with your friends. Thank you. Support me.